Hey, what's up everybody? I'm back with day number 33 of my 100 Days of Code Challenge, and today I learned a little bit about Git. Git is a form of version control, and it's one of the most popular among developers. So far, I completed the first part of this module where I learned how to initialize a Git repository, I learned how to make my first commits, I learned how to stage the new changes that I've made in my files, and I also learned how to view those changes. Tomorrow I'm going to come back and finish this module, and then I'm going to make a repository for the Salon website that I finished, and I'm going to commit those changes to my GitHub profile. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you like this, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And I'll catch you again tomorrow. Have a great day.